Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni Espresso machine. You can see that the gauge is off because we have a test gauge here. Shows just below 1 bar, but the customer's gauge is off. When the machine is turned off, the gauge is, I think, if I remember right, a little bit above 0.5. So yeah, but otherwise the machine's working well. Let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. And go ahead and pull a shot. The coffee's a bit old on this, so we're not going to get good crema. But we will get good seal. Gee, the crema's alright. Better than I thought it'd be. It's pretty good. So, nice pull. Thank you for testing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.